keep watching. Welcome back to my channel. It's Kia Tatiana here, and in today's video, as you can see by the title, I am doing a clip-ins review. So it is sponsored by CutiePieTresses, and CutiePieTresses sent me this amazing hair. You can see the packaging is beautiful. It came with a pamphlet on how to take care and maintain the hair. It came with extra supplies in case that I misplaced or needed any extras, and the version of the hair that I have is the Deluxe Curly hair. Matches my hair texture, 3C hair, and as you can see, I'm doing the same kind of routine that I would do if it was my own hair. So I'm rinsing the hair out to get the fresh box smell out. And then I am also applying this cleanser to it. And you can also, if you are interested in, styling your natural hair, they have different types of hair textures. They have curly, kinky, coily, wigs, weaves, ponytails. You can use my code down below in the description box, Kia Edgehill, for money off your purchase. And don't forget, y'all, CutiePieTresses is 100% virgin human hair. It's not only a hair business, but also a group to promote natural beauty. They aim to give women a wide variety of unique and natural hair options that complement their individual style. And that's why I love them so much, because I love curly hair. I don't really like to straighten my hair so much. So I just want to apply the best looking thing in my hair that's looking natural and all that. So here you can see me just greasing my scalp to prepare it for the clip-ins, and then I'm going to be wrapping the back of my hair. So I'm using just bobby pins to wrap my hair, and yeah. So I'm going to separate the front of my hair, the top of my hair, to the bottom of the hair. And you guys, in the pamphlet that it comes with, the guide to new extensions or taking care of your extensions, it shows you exactly how to wash your extensions, how to care for it, how to reduce potential shedding, if you wanted to color your extensions, and returning your extensions if you weren't happy or pleased with it. So they provide a lot of information, and plus the packaging is so cute that I'm definitely going to be keeping this for future use, to add the hair, put the hair back in there if needed. So you can see I wrapped the back of my hair. This is what it looks like, and this is the pack of bundles. It came with about 18 pieces, I believe, between 14 to 18 different pieces. So there's about 4 or 5 for the back, and there's for the sides, smaller pieces. So I'm going to use a piece that has 4 clips for the very back of my hair, very bottom of my hair, and just work my way up to the bigger pieces. So ladies, you want to make sure that you're securing it. I'm also using another 4-piece clip at the back. So now I'm using a 5-piece clip, and I'm using the bigger clips as I get more to the crown of my head, and I'm making sure that this is pretty secured, y'all. Like I think they gave me 2 4s, 2 5s, and then or 3 5s, 2 4s, 3 5s, and then the smaller individual 2-piece clips. And yeah, I could have just separated the clips to be further apart, but you're gonna see at the ending like what I ended up doing to it. So this part is pretty self-explanatory. You're just clipping in it, And here I am unraveling the braids. So the braids kind of made it easier to match and blend in with the texture of the hair. So I'm just unraveling the braids that I have up front so I can blend it in with the curly extensions. So what I did is unravel some hair, then add an extension on top of that unraveled hair so it can blend in and it won't look like it's just standing out. So this is what it looks like once I unravel all my braids. Yes, it looks a hot mess. Yes, my hair is standing on top. Yes, my hair probably looks a little bit lighter. Yes, but I'm gonna fix it, honey. You're gonna need your spray bottle, alright? This is for beginners because this is my first time doing this, and it was pretty easy and simple to do. I took my spray bottle and I just saturated my hair with water, and then I applied my curling jelly so the curls can match, my natural curls can match with the hair texture. And I'm just gonna rake the curling jelly through my hair in the curly clip-ins. Now, next time I use this, I'm probably going to do like a twist out to see the difference. But for now, I just did like a wash and go because I kind of had somewhere to go. So after spraying it, you see my hair is wet. I'm gonna use my blow dryer brush as a diffuser. It's not a diffuser. I use it on the highest setting, and I'm just gonna scrunch up the curls just to let it dry. I use it on hot and then I use it on cool heat. After all of that, I am doing my edges, getting all cute, y'all, and this is the final product. This is what my hair is looking like. Thank you to CutiePieTresses for sending me this amazing hair. I love it. It just looks so natural. It fits me, and I'm just in love with it. So give this video a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and don't forget to use my coupon. Use my code KIA in the description box to purchase your hair today. Bye, and I'll see you in my next video. See you later, and I'll see you in my next video.